Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, if you are new and know you're not subscribed, be sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So, let's take a look at USDJPY for the day. You can clearly see the full trend. We will see this full trend, right, which is a bearish move. Clearly, we can see that we are having a drop on our USD compared to our JPY, right? Secondly, is that we can see this trend, it is below our 10 period moving average. So you can see that this price is below our 10 period moving average. And I also did analysis. I told you guys that we will be having a bearish move on USDJPY. But before you consider to go ahead to take this trade, wait for a pullback, right? Which we've actually had the pullback. We actually got the pullback, but I mean the pullback was way above what we expected. So now, if you take a look at this moment, I don't think this pullback is over yet. We want to see this pullback come to this level. Price has reacted to previously. Once price can get to that same level, then we will continue our bearish move on USDJPY. So I'm going to give you various reasons why we take such. So let's first of all add our moving average. I mean 10 p.m. Fibonacci retracement too. We can see that we are bearish, right? And you can see this pullback, which is retracement. Let's try and see what our retracement actually says with our Fibonacci on this daily time frame. So we can see its price here at this level. So we are watching out for a level of 23.6, because this is the two level we tend to watch out for Fibonacci to get to before it actually retraces, which is 23.6 and a level of 38.2 on this Fibonacci. So we will continue to have this retracement to a level of 23.6 before this USDJPY drops, or it will roll up and get to a level of 38.2 before we have this drop on USDJPY. But I strongly believe that we would have that pullback to a level of 23.6 before we have that pullback on USDJPY. So this pullback itself on this USDJPY is not yet over, though it will soon be over. So just watch out. Let price hit a level of 23.6, then we would expect a drop. Secondly, is that we all know that once price has reacted to level previously and price is close to that same level, right, we tend to see price hit that level and react to it. So you can see that price has reacted to this level here. We saw price give us a pullback at this level, reacted to it. We saw price also reacted to this level here, one, and also we saw it reacted here, one. We saw it reacted here again. So we expect this price actually come to this level to hit this level and continue that bearish move. At last, when that movement tends to give us that bullish move, we tend to see it hit that level of 23.6 on our Fibonacci that we are talking about. So this USDJPY, though we will continue our bearish move, but this pullback needs to be over before we continue that bearish move. So to know if this pullback is over, we've included our Fibonacci retracements, and we would watch out for two levels that our pullback will very much likely to be over, which is a level of 23.6 and a level of 38.2. But as at this, because price has reacted to this level multiple times, and this level is at a level of 23.6, so we would watch out for a level of 23.6 for Fibonacci, for our price to hit on our Fibonacci level before we see that drop on USDJPY. So that is it. USDJPY, we are on a bearish move, right? And one of the reasons, if you take a look at this index, when you take a look at this JPY index and USD index, now take a look at this JPY index, right? So what is on this JPY index? You can see that this is a bullish move, right? So if you are getting a bullish move on JPY, you tend to see a bearish move on any other pairs you are trading to our JPY. So it's not a surprise that we are having a bearish move on USD to JPY, because JPY itself is going bullish. Then we expect a drop on USD. So let's take a look at this movement on JPY. We would see this as an higher highs, then we would consider this as a correction. Then here comes a new highs, and here we've gotten a correction. Here again a new highs. Guess what we had gotten here? A correction. Guess what again? A new highs. After this new highs, what do we expect? A correction is playing out. So is this correction over? Definitely not. We'd want to see this correction get to a level of 817 and possibly break below it. Like I said, possibly break below it. It's not a must that price hits that our level 100%, but we want to see get to a level of 8.817. Once it gets to a level of 1817, then we'll be expecting a bullish move. If possibly, if price breaks below 817, then there's no problem about that. It can go to 816, it can go to 815, even 814. So do not be surprised. But we are watching out for a level of 817. We want our price to get to. Once our price gets to that same level, once it's to, we continue our bullish move. So from here, we still have a little bit of a bearish move to be made on JPY. So as this JPY will give us a little bit of a bearish move, then we should be expecting a little bit of a bullish move on our USD to JPY. So once that JPY now starts correcting itself by giving us that bullish move, then we should now start expecting a bearish move on this USD JPY, right? So once JPY index starts going bullish, then we expect a drop on this our USD to JPY. Now let's see what this 4 hour time frame says. So we are on a correction. The correction is net over. So you can see price has hit here once. We saw it once. We see price has also hit here again. So you definitely want to see price go further up, hit this level price has reacted to previously before we continue our bearish move downward on USDJPY. Coupled with the fact, we can see that the fact is that price is still below the 10 period moving average, right? We can see our price is below our 10 period moving average, but as at now price is above it, due to the pullback. So it makes no, you should not go ahead to sell, right? Except, if I can wait for a confirmation for you to sell, you can wait for a confirmation when this price drops and breaks below this 10 period moving average, then you can go ahead to sell. So I mean, this USDJPY you would want to sell, but let's see it drops, possibly give us multiple break or structure downward on the 30 minutes time frame. So what you just go is go to your 30 minutes time frame on USDJPY, where you see lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, maybe 2 or 3 multiple break or structure downward. Then you can go ahead to sell. But as at now, this 30 minutes time frame, we are seeing higher highs and higher lows. We are seeing multiple break or structure upwards. So it makes no sense for you to actually sell this USDJPY until you see multiple break or structure downward, giving us lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. Then you can go ahead to sell on this your USD JPY for the day.